gone through the hype, we've gone through the excitement of introducing a new, very promising technology, and now we have to think about how to develop the reliability aspect, the qualification aspect, in order to have confidence that this technology can be put into larger series, into more reliable spacecraft and so on. This conference last year and this year again in the program gathers all the big players in additive manufacturing for aerospace, so what we call the primes. And also there's a good element of the supply chain and the regulating authorities.
One key theme for further accelerating the adoption of additive is cross-industry collaborations.
We're on the right way because we already showed the advantages like the reduction of lead time and also the quality of the parts. But I think there are some further topics we have to force and we have to work on.
Having this kind of conferences where people meet, when people can ask questions, hear answers, establish a dialogue is very important and needs to be, I think, repeated in time to have really a community around integrating additive manufacturing into mainstream manufacturing.
So the main difference, I'd say, actually with this conference compared to others is it's generally run and driven by industry rather than by machine suppliers, a point where we can come and talk together from an industrial perspective. And we can also start to present the things we've done, which tends to be one of the main topics.
We've been now part of this conference the second year. I personally think that it's actually one of those events where you really have the opportunity of meeting and talking to many key decision makers and experts, very specifically focused on, I guess, a key industry, aerospace and defense. And so Siemens actually decided that we will follow Airbus and we will be the lead sponsor for this conference next year, 2020. Participants and visitors really can see is, A, how is Siemens driving industrialization and qualification and ramping up serial production for additive? Because Material Solutions is working as our prime technology partner and supply chain partner for Siemens Power and Gas. The second thing that we are really working on is digitalization of our factory. That means end-to-end processes from the design engineer's desk down to the printer. It means IoT platforms based on Siemens MindSphere technology. It means automation based on Siemens automation technology.